Hi all and welcome to our channel. We hope you all are doing great and following all the necessary precautions as given out by various health authorities for prevention against the COVID-19 disease. And in this video we are going to review the YJMGC 5x5 Cube. So while we are here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our latest content. So without any further ado, let's get started. YJ Toys released the MGC 5x5 in December 2019. This is a magnetic cube that offers some serious value for money as it offers flagship performance and premium feel in a budget-friendly price point. Now let's see what's inside the box. The cube comes well protected in a hard cardboard box with an elegantly placed sleeve which has the YJ MGC branding all over it. Inside the box, we get the cube itself along with an accessories box that contains some extra springs, magnets and a very handy tensioning tool as we have seen in the other cubes of the MGC lineup. Now talking about the specifications, the MGC 5x5 is a 62mm cube weighing just 135 grams. The surface finish is glossy with half bright color scheme. The cube comes in stickerless and black base variants. The cube has a good hands feel to it thanks to the glossy surface finish and slightly rounded pieces design. The cube is very fast right out of the box while being pretty quiet and stable during the turns. The feel is buttery and controllable. You may experience some catching issues, but these go away easily by tightening the tensions a bit on all the sides and lubing with Cubelelo silicone lubricants to suit your solving style. The hardware is designed to provide excellent corner cutting that aids in fluid and effortless turning while executing the algorithms. Magnets provide stability to the cube and aid in precise turning, avoiding any overshoots. The middle layer has medium magnet strength while the outer layers are on the stronger side. Overall, the cube balances out between Aochuang's silky smooth feel and the crunchy feel of the VOOC 5M. We gave the MGC 5x5 to the Big Cube expert Sheldon Rigo and let's hear what he thinks about it.
I have been using the YJ MGC 5x5 for about a week now. I didn't do much to set it up and I've been simply solving it at factory tensions and loops. When I initially tried it, the first thing I noticed was the speed. This cube was really fast. There was a slight sandy feel, but that went away with solves. The speed is incredible for those who like to spam TPS. As we know, you can use loop to slow a cube down, but it's difficult to speed one up. An important thing to note is that the tensions come fairly loose, and at this speed, pops are not rare. I had a wing pop out on the third solve, but that was fairly easy to fix. With this sort of speed, control can be difficult. If you're able to turn accurately enough, you get a puzzle that can keep up with fast turning. However, inaccurate turning does sometimes lead to pops. You can reduce them by tightening the puzzle. Corner cutting is good. I wouldn't really want to push it at the tensions I'm using, but I've had few issues keeping up a fairly fast and consistent turning style. I personally chose not to change the tensions to keep the speed and feel of the puzzle, and I'm getting used to turning accurately. All of the MGC cubes share a similar feel, and this cube reminded me of my 6x6. It is fairly smooth and rewards fluid turning. If you have other MGC big cubes, getting used to the 5x5 won't be a problem. With pricing, this cube costs almost half as much as the other flagship 5x5s and has comparable performance. I can confidently recommend the MGC to anyone who is interested in 5x5.
Overall, the MGC 5x5 is a great choice for anyone who is looking to get hands on flagship 5x5 hardware at a fraction of the price of most flagship cubes. If you like fast 5x5 with good magnetic stabilization, then this is the cube to go for you. The YJMGC 5x5 is available on Cubelelo.com and we will leave the links to buy it in the description box below. Do hit the like icon if you loved the information in this video. We will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and happy cubing.